Yeehaw, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna be doing a little bass fishing and see if I can catch any fish in this brim pond. See if anything will bite. I'm not sure if anything will bite, so I'm gonna throw on my frog rod. Maybe we'll catch something. I guarantee you there's probably something here, but I mean it's probably not really big enough to even catch anything with, really. So we're gonna see if we can catch something. Sitting y'all guys down. I'm gonna throw some frogs. I'm talking about this one. I know there's fish in here. You just gotta find them. I don't think there's really any fish in here, but not no more. I mean, it's the old pond, really. So I'm just testing and see if something, maybe not, will bite it. I mean, this is just, maybe all I want is to see if there's something actually good sized in here, really. From what I've seen, I mean, me and my brother sometimes come down here and we go brim fishing, but that's just all we have been catching out here. I mean, there's something always here. So let's come over here, see if maybe. I think I'm gonna throw soft plastic rod. Give me like something a little bitty on it, maybe not, probably. So let's throw something little on today. So let's untie this, maybe. Maybe I can get this thing untwisted here, because it twisted around my thing here. Let's see. Which one I want to throw? We'll throw a Mondo worm. Big acquired Mondo worm. I mean, there's a lot of stuff these days. I mean, you can catch fish and then you can't catch fish. So let's see if we can catch something off the El Mondo one. Don't you think? Might be able to catch me a little something off the Mondo one. So, looks like we get a little rain cloud coming in. Looks like we might just get rained on. Hopefully not. I mean, who wants to get rained on while fishing? I'll fix you guys, so you'll be kind of not gonna fall. All right. So let's throw this Mondo worm out there and see if I can catch something off of it. Hey, get out of here. Like lily pads here. A bunch of lily pads out here. We did spray these. Oh my lord. Like a fish way over there. I'll have to show you. It's like one of these little fish. Like right over there. He just started going that way. I mean, chasing a little bait fish. I'm gonna hit right over there. I'm gonna chunk at it and see if I can catch something off of it. See if maybe I can catch something. All I gotta say is there's some fish in here, and then there's some fish other places. But I mean, you can catch them, but then they won't let you bite for another year. That's which sucks though. But I mean, I had different ponds though. Maybe, just maybe I can do it. Oh, a good fish. Come on. Let's chunk it up. All I gotta say is I know there's some fish here, but I mean, you just can't really get them to come bite your lure. You throw out there and you catch one fish, then maybe a few minutes later you might catch another. Most of the time this pond might not even have any fish in it. So we're gonna go head to a mystery pond. So let's see if we can catch something mystery wise on it. Sorry guys. Anyways, let's see if we can maybe catch something mystery. I just sell mystery pond, I think is down here. See if we can catch something in. See if maybe we can get a bass or something down there to give us a big, maybe he'll bite something down there. Let's walk down here and look. I heard there is bass down here, but I'm not for sure. I mean, they really could not even be a bass sitting down here. They could be just nothing. It could be just a pond. It's my mystery pond. I just found it, so I mean, we just see if we can get us a little something to catch. Alright, let's move some of these weeds out of my way so I can get going. I mean, here you go. Here you go, guys. Alright, let's see if we can catch us a little nice little print. I heard there is some good fish in here, so maybe we can catch something good. Oh, great. Alright, let's cast way out there. See if maybe we can get some bite it. Just maybe. Some fish down here. I'm telling you, there's a bunch of cars on that highway today, I guess. I mean, they moving. Let's see if we can get. There's some fish down here and there is. I know it, hit it in. It's so hard to cast between this because all these limbs. Every time you try to flip or something. I just tried to flip it, a limb caught it right off the bat. Hallelujah. Finally got my lure back because I did not want to lose it. Because it sucks when you lose it because then you can't catch it. Because then you have to sit here and just do everything you possibly can just to get it. Oh, what's a big one? That is a big one, boys. That is a good one right here. Holy crap. That thing is big. Golly. Come in here, boy. Get in here, big boy. Let's freaking go, boys. I mean, let's go. That has to be a 3 or 4 pounder right here, boys. Yeehaw, boys. That is a hoss. Golly, what a big one. Just threw it right over there. That big boy, I mean, just chunked her. I mean, he didn't care what it was. I mean, he just took her out. I mean, good gosh almighty, that thing's big. Whew. Looks like we'll have to do more fishing here, boys. Golly, what a big one. Alright, well, let's release him. See if we can get another one. Let's see what happens. Go get him, son. There he is, just chilling right there. Now he took off. Finally. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was a good one. That sucker was getting hard to get in now. Oh man, he gave me a limb too. He said, here, you can take the limb too with me. That's what he said. He told me that. I mean, what a big one right there. That's a good one. That's the ones you want to catch right there. You don't want to catch some little teeny weeny ones. But now that's a good one right there. I mean, a good one. Oh man. Whew. Alright, let's see if I can fix my lure here. See if I can catch me another big one. Maybe I'll catch me another one. I mean, that boy was just going. He didn't care if your life is dead. I mean, if your life is just not catching nothing. I mean, good gosh. I mean, he just... Oh, I almost had another one. Rip. He messed up my worm. Gosh dang it. Oh, man, what a good... That had to be a 3 or a 4. But I guarantee it's probably like a 1 or a 2. 2 pounds, probably. But I mean, it's one or 4. I mean, 2 or 4. Oh man, that was a good one right there. Wait, I see him. I think there might be a little friend over here. Let's cast outward just a little. Get y'all guys some good content. Alright. I don't know if y'all can. But I mean, what a good one. I was so daggum surprised about that sucker. That sucker, I mean, hit it, and he wanted it. He was like, you ain't getting it. You ain't reeling me in. I thought he was about to get me hung up. But surprisingly, he didn't. He just... But I mean, that is a good boy right there. That sucker's a good one. That was a good catching right there. to be catching out at a mysterious pond. I just found this pond in my lake back in my field. It was hidden in the back, and I'm like, well, dadgum. Alright, let's move down just a little. I don't know if we can, but we'll see. See if maybe we can move down. Alright, well, it's like now it's starting to rain on us. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's walk over here maybe. Maybe we might have to stay in the same exact spot. We just might have to. Just to be truthful. Just might have to. Alright. Put you guys right there, and I guess we'll have to stay in the same exact spot and see if we can catch another one. Another chunky. I mean, that. He wanted it. He was like, give me that lure. I mean, he was like, excuse me, that's my lure, so give it to me. He would not let you have it back. Let me see if I can break this again. It's sitting over here in my way, and I can't cast this way, so I want to cast it. The wind's already broken. It's been over. There. Pulled it as far as possible that way. Maybe now I can cast that way. Now then. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I got hit. Sucker. He's hitting it every time, but he don't want to get it. He think maybe getting on. Not make this structure in there. Trying to maybe sometime cut off that and then maybe turn it into structure, that big limb that's sitting right over here. Ooh. Let's get off some of this grass in here. Most of it's just pine straw and stuff, but I mean that's a good fish right there. Actually pretty dang happy. Let's see if we pretty dang happy I actually caught that. All I gotta say is when I threw that sucker, he didn't care, he just wanted it. That's far enough cast, I guess. That's probably my second biggest bass, really. I mean, what a good. I'm surprised that that sucker was actually going to actually eat it, but he did. see if we can maybe catch one more. If we don't catch another one, then I just have to show y'all some big stuff. Anyways. Alright, well then, let's see if we can move y'all down just a little. Oops, sorry. Golly, some thick stuff. No, I can't get through there. Walk up this way and see if I maybe can go this way. Yeah, I can. The trail right here. Almost this pond back here. Like that. I found one. I'm looking out for snakes because I hadn't been back here forever. So I don't know what's back here. I don't know if any friendly snakes are saying hello to me. I don't think I'm going to go through that tall grass without me some long pants or something. But let's walk down this way just a little ways. I don't know what that was. There was something there. Anyways. See if maybe I can fix my camera thing here. Alright. There's a huge helicopter flying over, I think. There they are right over there. They're two military helicopters. Just taking their pass. See if maybe I can fix myself up in here. Man, there's some big helicopters right there. There's two of them warhogs, I think. Alright, set you guys right. This stuff's thick. Barely even cast. I might just jump in it. I done got hung up on one of those limbs. Might have to do me a little clearing back here. It's gonna be so hard to set a hook. I mean, literally. If I ever try to set a hook, it's gonna be hard. If I ever catch one. Okay, guys. I need you to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.